Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to Cobol, where we will see how we can utilize except keyword in order to fetch the system day of the week. Okay. In our previous session, we discussed the scenario where we utilized the system current date and time with the help of except keyword or except statement. Now this session is in the continuation of the same, where we will mainly focus like how to fetch the system day of the week using except keyword. Except keyword can be used for in a multiple ways, and so far like we have covered three sessions. In first session we discussed like how to use except keyword in order to receive the values from user through console. Then we later discussed like how to fetch system date, how to fetch system time using except keyword, and in this session we are going to discuss how we can fetch the system uh, current system day of the week. Okay, so to explain this scenario, I have already created one program. I'll just quickly walk you through the code and explain you each and everything. But before we start, I would like to request you to please go and check out the previously published session first, because these all sessions are in proper sequence. So it would be really great if you follow the sequence and refer the sessions in a sequential manner. Then it would be very much easier for you to understand the ongoing topic, because now we are just mainly focusing on the actual topic instead of discussing the basic thing like what is division, how we can put the positions of the things in a COBOL program. Clear? So yeah, I think now we are good to start the program. So taking option 2 over here for the test PGM1. Now here you can see, firstly we have declared the identification division block, which is just to show you the program identity related information. Okay, so here for now we are just denoting two information. First is the program ID denoting program name. You can see here program ID is denoting the program name, and second thing is author, which is denoting the author name, which is Sharmit. So these are the two values that we are using in order to show the program identity related information under this identification division block. It is not always mandatory that you have to use only these two values. You can add other values, but it should be related to the program identity. Okay. Afterwards, what we are doing, we are initiating, or you can say we are starting the comment line. So to start a comment line, you just need to put asterisk on 7th position. So here you can see from first position we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is the 7th position, and after 7th position whatever you will write here will be considered as a comment line. Okay, so this is the comment line. Then what we are doing, like here I have declared 3 comment line just to show you the topic of today's session, which is accepting system day of the week. Afterwards we have initiated the data division block, and data division block is mainly used to declare the variables that we are going to utilize for our program or demo program. Under this data division block we have working storage section, and under that working storage section we will declare all those variables that we are going to utilize for the demo program. So for this particular program I just need only one variable in order to fetch the system day of the week, and then I will just simply store it in one variable. Clear? So let's see how we are declaring the variable. So firstly we need to specify the level number. So here I am specifying level number as 01, which is denoting higher data hierarchy. Then we have variable name, or you can say the data name. So variable name or data name is used to refer this variable throughout the program whenever you want to refer it. Okay, so this is my variable name or data name. Then we have PIC, which is denoting picture clause, and 9 of 1 is denoting numeric 1 digit. 9 is representing numeric. Previously we were used to have here X for denoting alphanumeric, but now we are using 9 for numeric. Afterwards, we are using procedure division. So procedure division is mainly used to define the main logic of the program. One more thing, like right now for this example we just need one variable, that's why I have declared only one variable here. But if in your project you need more than one variable, you can simply declare it all the variable that you are going to utilize throughout the program under this working storage section itself. Clear? Then after procedure division we are actually receiving the value which is the system day. So I am simply writing it here, except system day from day. Now some of you might get confused here, like this is the keyword. No, this is not the keyword. This is the variable we just declared. And even this is an interview question, like after except what is the variable? Is like what to specify after except. So after except, pass that value which you want to store, uh, where you want to store the received output, not the one which from where we are getting it. Okay, here we are specifying the space value which in which we want to store the output. So except system day from day. Now from day means it is receiving the value from the day keyword or the day system value. So line number 16 will accept the system day and store it into the system day variable. Then after receiving the value on line number 18 we are printing it. So to print the value you just need to use display command. So display system day and then system day. So this system day is denoting the text and this system day is denoting the actual variable which holds the value. Then later on we are using stop run to terminate the program flow. So let's see what output we are receiving from it. So I'm simply compiling it. So to compile you can take option 14, then press enter. It will ask for the deletion confirmation, because if your program is already compiled, so it will ask, do you want to delete the existing object? So like if you want to compile it, then you need to specify it here as y. So once you put y and hit enter, it will replace your existing object and compile it. But if you are compiling it for the very first time, then it will not ask for the confirmation because there is no existing object with the name, and it will simply compile it. Okay, so let's see what output we are getting from here. So I'm just calling it. After a call you can see we are getting the information value as system day as 6. Now what is the meaning of 6? Okay, so let me make it very clear that days can be accessed in 7 possible values from 1 to 7, where 1 is denoting Monday, 2 is denoting Tuesday, and so on it will go, and then last 7 is denoted by Sunday is denoted by number 7. Okay, 1 is for Monday and 7 is for Sunday, and in between like you can easily calculate, like 2 is Tuesday and likewise. Okay, now currently we are getting the value as 6. So what it means? It means we are receiving Saturday. 7 is for Sunday, so 6 is for Saturday. Okay, so by this input value you can easily identify, okay, so this the current day of the week is Saturday. Okay, although like you can, like there are many other information in the system through which we can do, but there are some project scenarios where it is we are supposed to access the day of the week through program. So in that case you can easily utilize the except keyword to get the value. Even in some cases we are supposed to use select when kind of thing in order to like fetch the information like the day of the week, and accordingly, like if it is if it is a Saturday, then in that case we can simply, if the number is 6, so we know that it is Saturday, so we will simply write, or like let's say if you want to write the data into file, so you can simply write 6 equals to Saturday, and you can like it is up to you like how you are going to utilize. But overall thing is that through except keyword we can fetch the information related to the day of the week. Clear? So yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.